राचाकुंडा पुलिस कमिश्नर महेश मुरलीधर भागवत ने राचाकुंडा सीपी ऑफिस नरेडमेट में महात्मा गांधी के 151वीं यौम पैदाइश के मौके पर महात्मा गांधी की तस्वीर को फूलों के साथ खराज तहसीन पेश किया। इस दौरान इस तकरीब में एडिशनल सीपी सुधीर बाबू, आईपीएस, एडीसीपी एडमिन शिल्पावली, आरआई विजयानंद, नरेडमेट एसएचओ नरसिम्हा स्वामी, ट्रैफिक इंस्पेक्टर एवन कैया और तलबा भी मौजूद थे।
One should read his autobiography, My Experiment with Truth. It will tell a lot about your life, what one has to do, what one has to learn from his experiences. There's so much things which been told in that book. Even though he was narrating to his personal secretary to write that, but it was as if he was written this book. One thing which Mahatma Gandhi we remember, we always used to tell about youth, all you, the future of the nation. What I was telling that if salt loses its taste, how to salt it? అంటే ఉప్పు అనేది ఉప్పు తత్వం కోల్పోతే ఉప్పు తత్వం ఎలా తీసుకురావాలి? అది సాధ్యం కాదు, ఉప్పులోనే ఉప్పు తత్వం ఉంటుంది. సో అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం యూత్ విత్ ఎంబడిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ వర్చ్యూస్, వాల్యూస్ and commitment for the country's growth, those issues should not be forgotten. If you are not focusing on such issues, no one will do it on this. So the future is in the younger generations. We must work for that. He is always telling us to have peace in our minds and at the same time in our action also. So ahimsa, non-violence, I was talking about that. Whatever the things which are there in communism or socialism, all those things is put in a very good perspective in a trusteeship concept, where everyone part of social system, everyone part of the economy, they contribute for the growth of everyone else. Whichever the communism is telling, socialism telling, or any good summertime we'll talk about that is already there in Mahatma.
Today is 151st birth anniversary of Father of Nation, Mahatma Gandhi. All of you are knowing about his birth in Porbandar and then his assassination at New Delhi on the 30th of January 1948. Our country is great because of this is the land of Buddha, land of Mahavira and land of Mahatma Gandhi. This nation has given many gifts to the world, and in that non-violence, then we have peace. And Gandhiji has specially given some different things like civil disobedience as well as non-cooperation. In entire life, Gandhiji led by an example. My reforms start from myself. He used to say and he used to practice. That's how our additional secretary told about the example. My experiment in truth, that book is full with that. He used to run the magazine Young India, Navjivan, for our youth. Always it has been asked that which are the three important things of Gandhiji's life which have changed the history of our nation. The very first thing is when he was thrown out of the train in South Africa at a railway station by name Peter Marisburg. Then the second thing in his life was when he has asked people for the non-cooperation movement and all, and in that people have not obeyed his instruction and they have burned even one police station. So he was very upset with that incident. And then another important thing in his life was 1932 Pune Pact, where Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was sitting for the separate electorate, and Gandhiji met Baba Saheb and they reconciled, and it has been decided there should not be electorate on the basis of caste. That these three things in Gandhiji's life, people say, always matters a lot. Gandhiji always believed in humanity. He used to say that we should always have faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If in the ocean, if someone is putting some dirt, nothing will happen because it is OCL.